Finding the right essentials can make college life much easier. The best dorm laundry basket offers a practical, space-saving solution for handling clothes. Designed for portability, durability, and convenience, it helps students keep their laundry organized and stress-free. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Alentar Dorm Laundry Basket. The Alentar Dorm Laundry Basket is a stylish and durable choice for anyone looking for a long-term laundry solution. Crafted with high-quality 900D Oxford cloth and enhanced with leather splicing, this basket immediately stands out for its premium appearance and lasting durability. The material is not only tear-resistant, but also coated with water-resistant PVC inside, making it highly practical and easy to clean with just a damp cloth. Designed with strength in mind, this laundry basket is reinforced with a thick, high-quality metal frame that provides excellent stability. It is capable of holding up to 90 pounds of laundry, making it ideal for a week's worth of clothing or even as a multi-purpose storage option for toys, books, or household items. The 4 premium large wheels ensure smooth rolling on all surfaces, from hardwood floors to carpets, and even outdoors, while the convenient brake lock system keeps it in place when not in use. The square design also helps it fit neatly into corners, making it perfect for small dorm spaces. Another standout feature is the removable waterproof and dustproof laundry bag, which can be carried separately when needed. Although the bag should not be machine washed, it's easy to wipe or rinse clean without damaging the protective coating. Combining style, capacity, and practicality, the Alentar Dorm Laundry Basket is a smart investment that can last up to 15 years with proper care. For those seeking both elegance and reliability in their dorm essentials, this rolling laundry basket is a versatile and long-lasting choice. Number 3. Lulive Dorm Laundry Basket. The Lulive Dorm Laundry Basket is an impressive and multifunctional laundry solution designed for students who want practicality and style in one piece. One of its best features is the quick and easy assembly process, with clear instructions and numbered parts that allow you to set it up in just about 10 minutes. Unlike ordinary hampers, this model comes with a built-in shelf on top, providing a convenient surface for placing everyday essentials like toiletries, detergents, or folded clothes, while also keeping dirty laundry hidden away for a tidier look. The hamper is generously sized, with an overall dimension of 30 by 13 by 28.8, offering about 56 liters of space per compartment, making it capable of holding laundry for 3 to 5 people or 4 to 6 days worth of clothing. Its 2-compartment design is especially useful for sorting clothes by light and dark colors or wet and dry items, preventing stains and making laundry day more efficient. The pull-out design, supported by a sturdy bottom board, ensures the bags won't sag even when full, while the extra side pockets offer additional storage for smaller items such as socks, underwear, or detergent packs. Built with durability and practicality in mind, the Lulive hamper is more than just a laundry basket. It doubles as an organizer, making it ideal for limited dorm spaces. Stylish, functional, and thoughtfully designed, it blends seamlessly into bedroom or bathroom decor while offering a much-needed combination of storage and convenience. Number 2. Sterilite Dorm Laundry Basket. The Sterilite Dorm Laundry Basket is a reliable and practical solution for students who want to make laundry days less of a hassle. Known for its generous capacity, this basket can handle large loads of laundry with ease, measuring 21 inches long, 13 3/4 inches wide, and 28 3 inches tall when assembled. Its design ensures that even a full week's worth of clothes fits comfortably without spilling over. One of its most convenient features is the effortless transport system, thanks to smooth gliding wheels and a retractable handle. This allows users to roll the hamper easily from their room to the laundry area, reducing strain and eliminating the need for heavy lifting. For moments when carrying is necessary, such as climbing stairs or navigating tight spaces, the integrated side handles provide a comfortable grip. The basket also includes a hinged flip-top lid to keep clothes neatly contained and out of sight, maintaining a clean dorm environment. Additionally, the ventilated base design ensures proper airflow, which helps reduce moisture and odor buildup, making it especially useful when laundry cannot be done immediately.
Made from strong plastic with a reinforced rim, the Sterilite basket is built to withstand everyday wear and tear while maintaining its structure and durability. Its simple yet functional design makes it a staple for dorm living, offering both convenience and reliability at an affordable price point. Whether rolling across a hallway or tucked into a corner, this hamper helps streamline the laundry process and makes it more manageable for busy college students.
Number 5. Clever Dorm Laundry Basket. The Clever Dorm Laundry Basket is a modern and stylish solution for those seeking a blend of practicality and space-saving design. Unlike traditional hampers, this model incorporates premium vegan leather accents and soft-touch handles, adding a touch of sophistication to what is typically just a functional dorm accessory. Engineered with a reinforced steel rim and a wooden base, this basket uses snap hinge technology to provide a sturdy yet lightweight structure. It snaps open easily for use and folds flat when not needed, collapsing to just 1.25 inches in thickness for convenient storage under beds, in closets, or even for travel. Measuring 23 inches by 15 by 13.25 when open, it can hold 2 full loads of laundry, making it a practical choice for dorm life. Its lightweight yet durable build ensures it can manage heavy loads of clothing, towels, or blankets without losing its shape. The basket's collapsible nature makes it particularly well-suited for tight living spaces or students who frequently move between home and campus. In addition to being a functional hamper, it also serves as a versatile storage container for toys, linens, or seasonal items. Stylish, space-efficient, and durable, the Clever Dorm Laundry Basket is an excellent investment for anyone who values both form and function.
Number 4. SONGMICS Dorm Laundry Basket. The SONGMICS Dorm Laundry Basket is a heavy-duty, extra-large option designed for students who want to streamline their laundry routine. Measuring 23.6 inches in diameter and 31.9 inches high, it offers ample capacity to fit not just everyday clothes, but also bulkier items like bedding or towels, making it perfect for completing laundry in fewer trips. Built for convenience, this basket comes with 4 rolling casters, 2 of which are lockable, allowing for smooth mobility across different surfaces while ensuring stability when parked. Its sturdy construction is another major highlight, featuring durable steel tubes reinforced with U-shaped plates that can support up to 110 pounds of weight without bending or wobbling. The steel frame is coated with a protective powder finish, making it resistant to rust and increasing its longevity, even in humid laundry room environments. The laundry bag itself is made of strong polyester fabric with a PVC inner coating, ensuring durability while being easy to clean and maintain. Clasps securely attach the bag to the frame, preventing it from slipping or collapsing when full. Designed with strength, mobility, and large capacity in mind, this basket is ideal for students with higher laundry demands or those who prefer washing all their clothes in one go. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.